This is session number 2 at the farm, guys. This is going to be new. This is their step up. So before it was a little too close, so you had to pull way back, so they bumped it back 16 inches. This is the quarter rolling quarter. The last time we came out it was vert, so the mad scientists are gonna bump it back so that it's not so steep. With Mr. Weedhour, Nietzsche, and Kuko. This is Ezra zooming up. What's up, dude? Having fun?
Why is it going so fast even though it wasn't even charging?
Maybe it was fully charged before you unplugged it.
Oh.
All right, give me some. See ya. There's a quarter over there that they're gonna get all finished up, and then we should be able to roll around. So I left my bike out here and Aaron worked on it for me. I had some spokes that were knocked out, so I got those spokes put back in, got some air in the wheel, and so we're gonna roll. So we'll be helping out a little bit and we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys out there. This is session number 2 at the farm for me. They've been working on it for a while, but stay tuned. See you guys out. Come here, skate light.
Why is this thing more slippery?
It's not. You just got to get a running start. You got to stand next to the bike and run up to there. Stand up there. Some of our wood. So they've been coming out here for a few months and working on this. This is my second time out. Pick up some screws and hammers and do some drilling and all that other stuff today. Dog. So we redid the bracing, and now we're going to put the covering back on. We also took the ground and dug out along the dirt to lower it, so to get it back a little bit because it was super steep, so we leaned it back. This is the back side.
Go ahead. Take. You act like you've never seen a train before. It's a train. We've seen them. Stop recording. Work. Gabbling.
Oh yeah, hold on to it. You ready? You better hold on.
Hey guys, it's Gordo. I want to introduce you to the farm. Aaron, Kuko, Jared, Casey, Weston. A lot of people came together to help put this together. We've had a really good time out here. Today is one of the first days we've actually gotten a riding session in since we've gotten everything second layered up. So today, and I'll show you in a little bit, but today we put on the second layer for the second half of the park. The last time we were here, they were putting on the second layer for the part that's behind me here. So this is gonna be the quarter resi quarter behind me, and then the spine, and then the box. And then that was last time that we were out. And then today, for the first several hours of the day, was the quarter and the roll-in setup over here. So today we put on a second layer on this. So we came out at noon, we wrapped up at about 7 p.m. and then we started to get a session in. On the deck we got Casey, Jared, Brody, and Victor. Weston rolling up. In the description, if you wish to donate, it'll also be on the Instagram page for the farm, which I will also put a link for it in the description. And we've gotten wood donated to us from Banasiewicz. A couple other people donated to get these ramps to us, and we've had anything helps. I really appreciate you guys. This is the farm. This is the beginning of the farm series.
Oh my god.
Oh. Working on it. Fuck. Oh. Ah. Wow.
On a bloop. Oh my beep. God, beep. Who the beep? You gotta do the SpongeBob, like those fish noises.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Come on in, the water's great, bro.
The water's good, bro. Just right.
Yeah, Vic.
Victor!
Oh God.
Let's take a picture. You don't never take pictures with me. I want to take a picture.
When are you gonna grow out of your dad's shadow?
Yeah, I could use this. Yeah, definitely.
There it is.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, apple.
Regular air apple Barson.
Never the bars, bro.
Ooh, just a little bit off to the left on that one.
On 9 times.
Yeah, yeah.
Passing your house?
No, don't give me that now. I did it. I did it. Did you see it? First try to the pedals. Give me my depth. Relax.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Money, money.
Money.
Oh! Heck yeah.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Did I swear?
Now all I gotta do is edit out Jared's F word.
I almost died.
I almost died. I was so scared.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Where? Like we're stealing their idea.
And then you got the yard. Right there.
I knew I'd chase. Oh my God. Still chase us. Oh, he's trying to follow me.
Hey, did you? No.
Oh God. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, that's a good start.
Let's go, boy.
Yeah.
Huh? He told us we could hit it. Oh my God!
Hey guys, it's Gordo, the farm. Like the video, subscribe, and we really appreciate it, and we'll see you out there on the next one. Thanks so much.